Hey bafethu njani niyaphila? Asibonge umfoka Mkhonza lo ngiyanibonga kakhulu ngokuthi nibe la support le channel. Ake ngithathe lithuba. Ngibonga onke ama new subscribers to this channel ngokujoyina. Ngibonga onke ama new followers to this channel ku TikTok ngokujoyina ngiyabonga kakhulu. Na ungaka subscribe ngicela usubscribe because it's free. It's free of charge. Ngeke uzuthathelwe imali, ngeke uthathelwe lutho, it's free. Please do it. Ngiyabonga kakhulu. Ngithi ngenze le video nje emfishane ngenjongo ukuthi sinike ipraise abantu abafanele. Excuse me. That is iMarch and March. Uphakela umthakathi ungizwe emchunu. Ake ngikusho nje ngokuqondile sinike ipraise uJacinta Ngobese uphakela umthakathi nongizwe emchunu. Umsebenzi wabo uyabonakala, imphumela iyabonakala. Ake nje ngibheke from uJanuary kulonyaka ka2026 uzokhumbula ukuthi lapha ePoint kwaba nenkinga yokuregister kwabantwana. Angithi uyakhumbula. Kwaba nenkinga yokuregister kwabantwana baseSouth Africa bengayitholi indawo. Kwasukuma bani ukuze bangene bathola indawo labo bantwana. Kwasukuma uJacinta Ngobese. Kwasukuma uphakela umthakathi. Kwasukuma ungizwe emchunu. Kwasukuma bonke abasupporter labantu esebengibabalile. Nibaningi kakhulu bafethu ngeke nginibale nonke. So kwagcina kwenzekile lapha ba-admit abantwana. Ugovernment wethu uhleli urelaxile. Ubona yonke into ihamba kahle. Yayibona? Hamba kahle eSouth Africa government mangabe abantu baseSouth Africa bekhala benganako. Kwaze kwasuka labantu esengibabalile bakwenza kwenzeka. Yayibona? Ukuhamba lapho kusuka kuza ngapha baqhubeka futhi oJacinta ophakela umthakathi nongizwe balwa. Wawunyakazisa uhulumeni. Kwaze kwaphuma upresident kwaphuma ama minister baqala manje benyakaza oMEC babona ukuthi akudlalwa la. Abantu basupporta lama marshals wa uJacinta uphakela nongizwe nabanye. Bawasupporta baya ngobuningi bayabona ukuthi lento igain momentum. Bayaqala manje bayaphuma ema-office abo. Yayibona? La ba relax khona. Izwe liyahamba, izwe liyonakala, ugovernment wethu uhleli, urelaxile. So laba bantu engibabalayo laba mfowethu, yibona abenza izinto zenzeke eSouth Africa njengamanje. Njoba sibona nje kuphuma amabhasi ama illegal foreigners ayabuyiselwe emakhaya. Kwehlwa kuyenyuka manje kukhishwa amabhasi kungenxa kaJacinta Ngobese, kungenxa kaNgizwe Emchunu, kungenxa kaphakela umthakathi, kungenxa yabo bonke laba balandela laba engibabalayo. Wonke umuntu okulama manje. Iqiniso nje lihle kumele silikhulume. Ibona abantu abenza ukuthi izwe liklineke njengamanje. Kuvele ukuthi kunabantu abangaka kanti abala South Africa bangekho semthethweni. Buka amabhasi aphumayo engakanani. Buka indiza eziphumayo zilayisha abantu aba illegal in the country. Ngenxa yokusuma kwalama individuals nama organization wabe engiwabalala. Ukutshelani ke lokho South Africa kukutshela ukuthi ikushintshwa kwalelizwe ngeke lelizwe lishintshwe ilapha abalapha government. Izwe lizoshintshwa abantu lapha ekuhlaleni. Labantu abehla benyuka lapha ezitradini. Njoba sibona nje kwenzeka manje. Izwe lizoklinwa yithi njengabantu baSouth Africa esingekho lapha kuhulumeni. Uhulumeni kumele uzwe ngathi ukuthi izwe kumele lilunge. Kuyenzeka njengamanje. Yayibona? Buka khona manje nge-30 June sekuzwakela uhulumeni unayo yonke into unama resources. Buka manje ngathi mangaphosisi ngizwe ngathi u600 million ozokhishwa uhulumeni nje ozoqondana nje ne-30 June. Imali nje ehleli nje iqhamuka ke manje isikhaleni izokhishelwa nje i-30 June. Nakhona lapho hayi ukuthi le mali yosetshenziselwa ukuthi kuqinisekiswe ukuthi bonke aba illegal bayaphuma ezweni. Kuzoqinisekiswa ukuthi laba abacleaner izwe bayamanagewa. Izomanager bona le mali. Bazofakwa endaweni ethile ukuthi bamanageke nge-30. Uhulumeni ke lo ingqondo incane ayikho futhi. Abantu abanengqondo nabo engibabalayo la. Jacinta Ngobese, phakela umthakathi, ungizwe nabo bonke abasemashini abathi out illegal foreigners silungisa icountry. Kukutshelani lokhu uhulumeni ulakithi njengabantu base-South Africa. Yingakho ngithi mina nge-4 November umuntu wase-South Africa kufanele aqikelele ukuthi indlela avota ngayo, amandla akhe, ivoti lakhe linamandla nge-4 November, indlela azo uhulumeni okufuna simfake lapha kubomasipala bethu njalo njalo. Kumele kube uhulumeni olwela abantu base-South Africa, obeka abantu base-South Africa kuqala. Ngiyayincoma nje imeya yase-Escort lapha yaNomiyeza. Ibhizi yehla yenyuka nabo March and March. Ibhizi nabantu abakhalayo bethi sicela kukhishwe abantu bokufika abangekho kuleli zwe ngokusemthethweni ukuze silungise izwe lethu. Iyasupport imeya lapha yana uMiyeza. Sifuna abantu abanjalo kuhulumeni. Uma ngabe bengakwenzi lokho okwenziwa ilo hulumeni noma ile meya le engichazayo yase-Escort, vele sisenkingeni. Sifuna ukubona more mayors benza same thing, belwa bethi akulungise izwe kuphume bonke abantu abangekho right lelizwe, because i-chaos egcwele la South Africa yenziwa yibo labantu. But I'm happy le video ihloselwe just ukunika ipraise ungizwe uphakela umthakathi uJacinta Ngobese nabo bonke abanabo kula mamashi. Yilokho nje awubheke nje manje na ivideo for example buka ama-Nigerian manje akhishelwe indiza abuyele ekhaya, ama-Malawians akhishelwe amabhasi abuyele emakhaya, but ngifake nje na iclip yama-Nigerian la ubuka.
I'm very happy to be back home, but because what we have been experiencing there is something that nobody wished to experience.
A plane load of Nigerians evacuated from South Africa amid rising xenophobic tensions has touched down in Lagos, and the 258 men, women and children are the first group to leave on a flight chartered by their government. More than 1,000 Nigerians have signed up for the repatriation. African immigrants are leaving South Africa in large numbers ahead of a June 30 departure deadline given by anti-immigrant groups.
I feel relaxed because no place like home. At least I have peace of mind now. I wouldn't be as scared of anything anymore.
It's so unfortunate that when you go to an African country in an African land, you want to be documented, they will arrest you. Then tell me, how will another person go and get a document?
Even though you have documents, you don't have documents, they still want to arrest you and collect money from you. So for how long will you be doing those things?
The mood here is mixed for the returnees. For some, it is joy that they came back home alive, while for others, it is sadness around what they left behind in South Africa and the uncertainty around their future. However, the Nigerian government has promised to offer them the necessary support in order to restart their lives here.
I never even believed that Nigeria could offer us something. So it's a shock to me. So God bless Nigeria. I'm so happy to hear that.
Most of our Nigerians there that have just returned today are professionals in their own right, and they were living in a country well documented. And as soon as their needs are established, they will be supported accordingly. And this will range from seed money, from support for livelihood.
Yabona konke lokho sokuqeda ukubona ngenxa yemisebenzi kaphakela umthakathi kangizwe uJacinta nababa supportayo kumamashi. That's all. Ayikho into lana nje basibona kwenzeka lokho esingathi ugovernment asinqomi government. Ugovernment uphushwe yilabantu engibabalile ukuthi wenze yonke lento. Ukhipha amabhasi manje ukhipha no 600 million. Uphushwa yini? Uphushwa abantu abangekho government ukuthi kwenziwe konke lokho. Kumele ukuthi iqiniso silikhulume bafethu, iqiniso leli. And abantu kumele bali-understand ukuthi iqiniso linje yilo leli. Ugovernment wethu ayikho into oyenzayo. Sebafuna ukunconywa manje ukuthi sesikhona ke siugovernment nalapha elokunyana eThekwini ngesikhathi kufakwa le ingane lapha esikolweni. Gcina zifakiwe le ingane. Uhulumeni lapha yana we-ANC waqhamuka sofuna kunconywe wona. Ukuthi yiba abafakela abantwana lapha kulesa sikolo saseselo ePoint. Sekufuna manje umsebenzi kaJacinta ungizwe uphakela umthakathi nabanye uphushelwe eceleni kunconywe bona into abangenzanga nix. So njengoba manje kusondela i-30 June bakhipha u600 million bafuna ukuthi kumanageke labantu laba abazobe bekhona eSouth Africa bethi abahamba bokufika bala illegal. Bafuna ukumanagwa kumanager wonke umuntu othi abahambe. Yayibona? Shothi kafishane nje ugovernment wethu indlebe yawo ya government wethu kahle kahle ilalela kakhulu abantu abala illegal than abantu aba South Africa abavotayo. Ake ngiveze na iclip kancane uphakela umthakazi lo ozombona la uyakhuluma uchaza nge-30 June ukuthi i-30 June kahle kahle akusiyi March i-deadline wayibeka ezi-deadline ngoba phela uphakela umthakazi wamemeza i-30 June kumele sikwazi njengoba nje South Africa manje kukhulunywa ngo-30 June kangaka amandla kaphakela umthakazi lawo uyena owakhuluma nge-30 June njengoba nje ugovernment wenze ngathi wenza izinto zonke zenzeke ngendlela eright nge-30 June kufanele manje ubonakale ezohulumeni osebenzayo. 30 June was declared by phakela umthakathi as a deadline for all illegal foreigners ukuthi babe sebehambile kulelizwe. Nange ekhuluma uphakela umthakathi wamlalele ekhuluma nge-30 June ukuthi yini ezokwenzeka nge-30 June kuze kube clear la wonke umuntu ukuthi wayesho ukuthini mlalele nangu.
I've never called for any march on the 30th. I said 30th is a deadline. So I did not say on the 30th there will be a march. So whoever wants to be involved on what I will be doing on the 30th, they should come to where I am. So whatever is going to happen anywhere where I'm not around, it's not my problem. But we've issued the order. No looting, no vandalism, and no hatred, no tribalism, and no xenophobia. So we've been very clear.
Abafowethu umhlaka 30 kusele insuku eziwu14 manje abantu bokufika abenze into enhle abenze into enenhlonipho because we respected you, we gave you a deadline, we respected you and never did any violence and we never killed anyone. We just said leave the country, let us fix our system and then you can come back. So I think the foreigners must also respond to that call. They must honor that call, they must respect that call and they must just leave the country. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Umzweli uphakela. So yilo nje bafethu akukho okuningi bengizokukhuluma la bengizoveza nje ukuthi abantu base South Africa kumele bangakhohlwa kufanele bahlale bazi ukuthi obani ngisho emlandweni walelizwe obani abalwa ukuze klineke lelizwe obani abalwa ukuthi kuphume wonke umuntu eSouth Africa ola ngokungemthetho kufanele kuhlale kusemlandweni ukuthi kwaba imarch and march ehola uJacinta Ngobese kwaba uphakela umthakathi kwaba ungizwe emchunu kwaba yibo bonke laba abavela kumavideo behamba nongizwe nophakela noJacinta njengoba bebaningi oXolani Khumalo ingabala ngithini ngashona ilanga bonke labantu abasupporte lama program lawa amamashi kumele oXolani Khumalo ophakela umthakathi ongizwe emchunu nabanye oJacinta bahlale emlandweni walelizwe ukuthi bona abaqinisekisa ukuthi iSouth Africa ebese hijackwa ngama illegal foreigners bayivikela bayirescue kuma illegal foreigners. That's all. Yilokho bengifuna ukusho kule video nje ngithi i-30 June sezisondele. Siyanibonga Phakela, siyanibonga Jacinta, siyanibonga Ngizwe, siyanibonga Xolani Khumalo. Umsebenzi wenu muhle kakhulu kumele siyincome eSouth Africa. Ngiyabonga kakhulu. Ngicela uma ungasubscribe, it's free of charge. Just press subscribe, it's free of charge. Uphinde uthi press follow ku TikTok. Sikhulisele channel. Thank you so much.